Ever pondered the power of ginger in your diet? Ginger, tracing its roots back to Southeast Asia around 500 BC, not only packs a flavorful punch, but also boasts a rich history as a form of alternative medicine. For those on a quest for a healthier lifestyle, ginger might just be the secret ingredient you're missing. In this video, we'll dive into the top 10 health benefits of ginger. First up, digestion. Ginger can be a game-changer for those grappling with digestive issues such as indigestion, ulcers, constipation, and IBS. By speeding up digestion and promoting the production of healthy enzymes, ginger ensures your food doesn't linger in your stomach for too long. Secondly, ginger is a formidable ally for your immune system. Thanks to the bioactive compound gingerol, ginger is armed with antimicrobial and antifungal properties. It's also a potent source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents, which can help you fend off infections, reduce fevers, and alleviate symptoms of common colds and flu. Thirdly, for the ladies out there dealing with menstrual pain, ginger can be a natural source of relief. Consuming ginger during the first 3 days of your menstrual cycle can help manage pain and reduce bloating. Fourth on our list, ginger's knack for soothing nausea and upset stomachs. Be it motion sickness, migraines, morning sickness, or general stomach issues, ginger can help calm your system down. Fifth, ginger might just play a role in cancer prevention. While it's not a magic cure, the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of gingerol can help protect your body. Plus, if you or a loved one is undergoing chemotherapy, ginger can help combat the side effects of nausea and dizziness. Sixth, ginger is a natural pain reliever. The anti-inflammatory compounds in ginger, known as gingerols, can help eliminate pain and improve mobility, making it a natural alternative to over-the-counter pain medications, especially for arthritis sufferers. To summarize, ginger is a potent health ally, aiding digestion, boosting immunity, relieving menstrual pain, soothing nausea, potentially helping in cancer prevention, and reducing pain. So next time you're whipping up a meal, why not add a dash of ginger? After all, the health benefits are just too good to pass up.